Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenbarger here, SEMA 2019, inside the Energy Suspension booth with my man Kyle Martin. What do you got cooking this year, my friend?
Yeah, we've been making polyurethane components for over 35 years, and this year we're excited. We brought some products for our truck owners.
All right, Kyle, what customers are we talking about?
We're talking about the 2007 to 2014 Silverado and Sierra 1500 4x4 owners. We brought a master kit for them that replaces all of their rubber components with our HyperFlex polyurethane.
People need to know what this is going to do for their truck, both in ride, comfort, control.
Absolutely. So you're going to get better handling, more control, tighter feel. You get rid of that slop that a rubber bushing will give you, as well as getting something that's not going to deteriorate over time. It's resistant to oils, greases, and road contaminants, and will last the lifetime of the vehicle.
Kyle, say people didn't want to do the full kit, they just wanted to do sway bars. Of course, you have that available as well.
Absolutely. Each one of our components for the master kit will also have its own part number and be sold individually. So if you're looking to just replace sway bar bushings, you can order just our sway bar bushings.
Kyle, what's the advantage of doing the full kit at once?
Yeah, if you're going to be taking off suspension components to replace, let's say, a lower control arm bushing, you might as well pull your uppers. You might as well do track bars, sway bars, those types of things. But the advantage of doing it all at once is everything's starting fresh and kind of got a good starting point, if you will.
All right, Kyle, you have obviously come up with a great solution for guys from 07 to 14, half-ton trucks in the Chevrolet or GM format, and I know that you've got a ton of stuff for so many other applications. If people want more information, want to find out more about what you do, where do we send them?
EnergySuspension.com.
You heard the man, EnergySuspension.com. This is SEMA 2019.